Froyo. Now, repeat after me. Froyo. Froyo. Welcome to English Dictionary Infinity, where we help you perfect your pronunciation and expand your vocabulary, one word at a time. Meaning. Froyo is short for frozen yogurt, a popular dessert that's often seen as a healthier alternative to ice cream. It's made from yogurt and can be served in a variety of flavors with toppings like fruits, nuts, and candies. Think of it like this. Froyo is like ice cream's healthier cousin, and you can customize it with your favorite toppings. In a sentence, let's grab some Froyo after dinner. There's a new shop in town with a lot of flavors. Here, Froyo is a fun, light dessert option. Let's try another example. I love adding strawberries and chocolate chips to my Froyo for the perfect mix of sweet and fruity. Synonyms. Some synonyms for Froyo are frozen yogurt, the full term for Froyo. Soft serve yogurt, another way to describe frozen yogurt, often served in a swirl. Antonyms. The opposite of Froyo would be ice cream, the richer, creamier counterpart to Froyo. Gelato, a different frozen dessert with a denser texture. Part of speech, Froyo is a noun referring to the dessert itself. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to keep building your vocabulary with us at English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.